Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Crazy Kinfolks. In my last Vietnam video, I have shared with you the beautiful Lady Buddha statue of Lingung Pagoda. So from there now we are going to visit Hoi An, which is a beautiful city on Vietnam's central coast known for its well-preserved ancient town cut through with canals. On our way to Hoi An from Da Nang, we saw the famous Marble Mountain. These mountains, also known as Nu Han Son in Vietnamese, consist of 5 majestic limestone and marble hills representing water, wood, metal, earth and fire. Although we couldn't make a stop there, but heard that it is worth visiting. So you guys do visit there. On our way, we saw a beautiful cafeteria and an image studio. We also found various workshops making marble statues by the side of the road. Hoi An is well known for its long-lasting craft villages, each telling a special story about cultural history. The journey from Da Nang to Hoi An only takes about 40 to 50 minutes approx via car or bus. You can also reach there via various waterways. On our way, we saw glimpses of the famous Thu Bon River, about which I'll be discussing later. We even saw coconut trees, palm trees on the sides of the road, and eventually we reached the Kam Than village, which is a unique blend of rural charm and aquatic adventures. Kam Than means wealth and serenity in Vietnamese. Hoi An Coconut Village or Kam Than Coconut Village is a portion of Hoi An's countryside 5 km east of the old town. Near Qua Dai Bridge, it's surrounded by 4 waterways including Thu Bon to the south and Di Vong River to the east. Around its hamlets, we can see historical buildings, tranquil rice paddies, fishing nets, households producing handicrafts, and above all, lush palm groves. So you see, within these discussions, we reached our destination, that is Bay Mao Coconut Forest, for experiencing the coconut boat ride for the very first time. Here, one has to be very careful about choosing the right company for your boating experience, as one can easily get scammed. Do book online via Klook or other apps beforehand, or else you may have to pay a lot more like us. We chose Sun Coconut Basket Boat Ride suggested by our driver there. Cost of coconut boat ride varies in between 150k to 200k VND for each boat, excluding the entrance fee of 30k VND per person per trip. You can get easily scammed up to 500k VND. We also had to pay more as we were very much unaware of it. Each boat carries 2 to 3 people and you can pay more for other activities, which I'll be mentioning later.
আচ্ছা রাউন্ড রাউন্ড ঘুরতে বারণ করবে নো রাউন্ড রাউন্ড
Now it's our turn to board the coconut boat and experience the boat ride which we were waiting for.
গলায় পড়নি?
Bay Mao Coconut Forest, also nicknamed as Little Mekong Delta, is a pristine nipa palm forest in the central and east of Hoi An Coconut Village. Opening hours 7 am to 5 pm daily except during inclement weather.
ভালো মুরগি মানে হলো ভালো মুরগি
তাই বলছে না
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা মুরগি পায়
The period from February to September offers favorable Hawaiian weather conditions with dry and cool temperatures, making it an ideal time to explore. We visited around 3 pm when the crowd was a bit less. While boating, let me share with you about Nipa Palm Mangrove Forest. It has a rich history dating back to the French and American wars, making it a significant historical site. One can explore the forest on a basket boat ride and learn about the area's unique ecosystem. These round basket coconut boats are known as Sang Shai in Vietnam.
খতম হিন্দি তো জানলো না না পুরো আরো আছে
আমরা পেরিয়ে গেলাম
Bay Mao is a unique mangrove wetland in Kam Thang. The forest was first planted in the 18th century with young nipa palms from southern Vietnam. The plant took root and flourished in Kam Thang, creating a large mangrove forest right by the sea. As we gently float along the small waterways of the Thu Bon River, surrounded by vibrant coconut mangroves, let me share with you the historical story of this 7-hectare coconut forest. Migrants from the Mekong Delta planted water coconut seeds in the area around 200 years ago. The seeds grew into a large forest due to the favorable soil and water conditions. During the anti-colonial French period, the forest was a safe base for the Vietnamese army and people. The coconut trees provided a shield to protect the villagers and fed many generations of people. This site served as a stronghold for brave soldiers during the resistance war and since then remained a symbol of patriotism.
phát hiện luôn hả tao thôi chắc thì đã có mười mấy.
So today, the forest is one of the most popular ecotourism sites in Hoi An City in the central province of Quang Nam.
চলে যাবে না দাদা
Bay Mao Coconut Forest in Vietnam is nicknamed Little Mekong Delta because of its landscape, which is similar to the Mekong Delta in central Vietnam.
ও এইখানে মিউজিকটা হচ্ছে, বুঝেছিস তো?
chụp chưa đi.
So now we are going to experience one of the main attractions in the Hoi Coconut Village, which is undoubtedly the exhilarating experience. That is, boat dancing with the local fishermen. This activity is no different from thrilling amusement park rides. Skillful boatmen showcase their expertise by spinning the round basket boats in dizzying circles. Boat dancing is a lively and joyful activity filled with laughter and excitement. Even spectators can't help but feel an adrenaline rush. This spinning boat game captivates visitors with its unique and adventurous nature. Participating requires physical strength and balance and is especially not recommended for the faint-hearted or those prone to motion sickness, just like me. We are almost there. Now, do comment down below how many of you has visited Vietnam and done this activity. So you see, the person rowing the coracle rotates 180 degrees in the middle of the waves. Onlookers also get dizzy just watching the competitions. This challenge also attracts us who wants to enjoy a heart-throbbing experience because just a few rotations is enough to impair the senses. Other activities you can indulge yourself into besides spinning and riding the basket boat are rowing the boat, singing together on the boat, dancing on the boat, listening to folk songs, or you can also join for a fun karaoke, like we are now going for it. For doing all those kinds of activities, you have to pay for it in advance with the tickets and also tip them very well. There's also other activities like throwing a net with the fishermen there to catch fish, shrimps or even crabs. Then there's this cooking class held in the boat where local people help you making a traditional dish with them. And also these boatmen can help you make souvenirs out of the coconut palm leaves. Theoban River, often referred to as the Mother River, seems to exude its most enchanting beauty at sunset time. In the twilight, the river looks like an oil painting splashed with trees and houses on the river bank. So enjoy with us the dreamy atmosphere of the Theoban River. The Bay Mau Coconut Village's inhabitants have many crafts to earn for a living, such as weaving fishing nets, making basket boats, producing coconut objects, building houses by palms, and harvesting edible bird nets. The last tradition is from 15th century and now it is passed down by different generations of Tran and Ho clans. The craft in making buildings by palm is only in Kamthang. There are 30 families continuing it at the moment. The name Bay Mau was given because this Nipa palm forest previously had an area of about 7 acres. In Vietnamese, 7 acres means Bay Mau. Currently, the coconut forest area has been developed to be much larger, yet the name Bay Mau remains. In 2008, Bay Mau Coconut Forest was recognized by the Quan Nam Provincial People's Committee as a cultural historical relic area. The forest area is also the perfect habitat of many species such as shrimps, crabs, and mollusks. It acts as a filter to purify the water before it flows into the sea. Overall, the experience was amazing. Sitting on a coracle boat, floating on the river, weaving into small creeks and gazing at the rows of green coconut trees in the unforgettable setting of nature. These round coracle boats require only light rowing and takes us through countless small creeks. These boaters told us stories about how the place used to be a strong revolutionary base witnessing the smoke fire bombs of war, and now this has become a place of ecotourism and peace.
Quê trên ba lúc đây đi trước đi.
Finally, our 50 minutes of boat ride came to an end. Drifting along the serene waterways surrounded by picturesque coconut groves and gliding under the palms and over the waters for a tranquil hour on round basket is the most amazing experience one must try in Vietnam. With our 2 boat ride packages came 2 chilled coconuts included. Not only they were sweet and amazing, we also enjoyed a fun time among ourselves while having them. I was expecting to have it together, but he backed up. Then I did something funny.
Round 2.
দাও 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 ওটা ওটা করে দাও
করে দাও
ভালো করে দিবি ভালো করে দে
আবার কত যাই
After all those fun-filled times at the coconut basket boat ride, now we are going to our next destination in Hoi An. To know more, subscribe my channel and wait for my new vlog to come. Bye-bye.